Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, we'll start with US market. Now, Dow Jones closed at 95 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 85 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 13 points positive. Now, today is a very important day in America. So, today the core inflation day, month on month, for April will be out today. Inflation for month for April will be out today, and inflation year on year for April will be out today, and core inflation for year on year for April will be out today. So a lot of heavy data will be there in US market. That's why US market was trading very flat and very mixed. Now FII, let's talk about our market, what FII did in our market. So FII, they have sold close to staggering 8,400 crores, and DII, they have bought close to 5,939. I'm sure by this, looking at the yesterday market only, you would have guessed that FII have unloaded the shares in our Indian market. So they have unloaded close to 8,900 crore shares. So big selling from FII. Now yesterday also they sold close to, I think I said 5,000 crores. So yesterday also they unloaded close to 4,100 crores, right? So a big numbers are coming from FII. They have started selling relentlessly left, right, center. So that's why our market also Nifty corrected more than 300 points and Bank Nifty corrected more than 850 points. Well, we'll discuss in few seconds. Now SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 41 points. Asian markets are very flat. But buying was seen across the sector. Look at South Korea, Samsung, and Asian markets also, if you look at, they're betting heavily on AI. So a buying was there in specific sector, in specific stocks in Asian markets. Now coming to our market, but before that, Brent crude is at $104 per barrel. Yesterday where we left the Brent crude, it is at same place of $104 per barrel. Now coming to our market, Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Now if you look at Nifty, yesterday Nifty corrected close to 300 points. Well, if our Prime Minister will tell to be cautious to our citizen that you should stop buying golds for 1 year, stop international traveling, of course the stocks will hit. Look at Titan, look at Indigo. Well, SBI also put some pressure after bad corporate results, but more or less our PM statement was also one of the reason. Look at Reliance, they all corrected heavily. He said to focus more on work from home. He said focus more on traveling, less using public transport to communicate here and there. That is why stocks like Titan, stocks like Indigo, stocks like you have traveling companies, you have jewelry companies, look at Kalyan Jewelers, all the shares tanked correctly, heavily. So now the support will become at 23,200. See, if Nifty is at currently a very important support zone, 23,800 is a very strong levels on Nifty. If we break 23,800, the next support for Nifty is at 23,200. So a 600 points down move is open if Nifty will close with a strong red candle below 23,800. Now the resistance will become 24,000. And now if I talk about Bank Nifty, the closing was around 54,439. The support will now become 54,000 and the resistance now will become 55,000. So yesterday SBI was putting pressure and it was destroying the sentiment across the market in amongst the investors, and that is why another reason, second reason will be the SBI. See, SBI, it has corrected 45 rupees and it has down for more than 4%. So SBI is a very heavyweight stock in Bank Nifty and Nifty, and because of which the selling came, and it was a one side move after the second half. See, the market is so volatile. For the first half, Nifty broke above day high, but it didn't close above day high, and from there the panic selling came and the market correctly heavily, and it was a one side move in Nifty and in Bank Nifty everywhere. So market is very volatile. Closing below 23,800 is not at all good for our market for short to medium term. So today the Dr. Reddy results will be out. You have to watch those results very closely. So this is it. I have shared you the plan. I have shared you the numbers. I have shared you the levels. I hope you would have learned a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.